Okay, next problem in the orthographic portions. So here we have the problem. Okay, so here this is the observed point. Okay, that is, this is the front view, and this is the top view, and this is the side view. Okay, first of all, let me mark the front view shaded areas. Okay, so what we have seen from in the front view. So this is the front view. Okay, I am marked the front view with the greening. Okay, this is the front view, and this is also the front view. Okay, and this circle also. So this total is the front view. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the front view, then I will explain the top view and the side view. Okay, further first of all I will draw the reference line. Let me draw the XY line. Okay, next, first of all draw this distance. Okay, that is the 10 plus 15 plus 25. Okay, so the dot line is the 50 mm. Okay, let me draw the 50 mm of line. of line. Now I am going to divide the each distance. That is the first one is the 10 and second is the 15 and the rest is the 25. Okay, first one is the 10, mm, next one is the 15 mm. Okay, the rest of is the 25 mm. Okay, so now the height. Okay, so the total height is, we have to find out the total height. Okay, if you see the diagram, okay, so here we have the total height of 30 mm. Okay, this is the total height of 30 mm, and we have to minimize this 10 mm, that is the 20 mm. The total height of this the height is the 20 mm, because the total height is 30 mm, and here we have another 10 mm is reduced from here, top one. This is the top one is the 10 mm, the rest of is height is the 20. So 20 plus 10, that is the total height. So this is the 20 mm. Okay, now draw the 20 mm, which is the square box. Let me draw it 20 mm. Okay, and here also we have to draw the 20 mm. Now join the 20 mm. Okay, so here have you seen here, so we have the another box. This is the halo inside the solid. Okay, in the total, this one is the total solid, and this one we have the one halo here, and another one is the, this one is the also the halo. Okay, that is the cut section. We have to mark it. The distance is 50 mm and the height is, we have to reduce the 10 mm again. Okay, that is the in the total of 30 mm. So the height is we have to reduce the 10 mm. That is the rest is the 20 mm. Okay. So let me draw it. First is the 10 mm and another 10 mm. Okay, now join these 2 points. Okay, so here up to here we have to draw the diagram. It looks like this. Okay, next we have to draw this section. Okay, this surface section. Okay, further we have to draw the height of 10 mm. Okay, and the same distance is for the center of this circle and the center of the semicircle. Okay, first of all let me mark a height of 10 mm here, like this, and here same as the here also Okay, another 10 mm. Okay, so this is the 10 mm and this is the 10 mm. Okay, so I have to find out this center point. Okay, the center point is at a distance of 15 mm from here, from the edge of the line. It is the distance of 15 mm. Okay, so from here we have to mark a 15 mm of point. Okay, let me draw a reference line. Like this. Okay, here we have to mark the 15 mm, the 10 and 5. Here we have the 15 mm. This is the center. So okay, from here we have to first of all have to draw the circle of this circle. Okay, we have first of all have to draw this circle. This is the diameter of 10 mm. That is the radius is 5 mm. And then we have to draw the from here. Take the compass and make it the center as here, and at distance of from here to this is the 15 mm, and draw some arc. Okay, let me show you how to draw it. First of all, I have to draw the circle, which is the radius of 5 mm and the diameter of 10 mm. It will be a very small circle like this. Okay, this is the circle. Now we have to draw the another arc. Okay, which is like this one. We have to draw this one arc. Okay, which is the distance center as the same point, and make a distance of 15 mm here. Okay, draw a small arc. So for this arc I am using this pencil, because after the half of the arc we have to join this arc to the edge. Let me show you. Okay, so from here we have to draw an arc. Okay, see, this is enough. Okay, now here we have to draw a tangent line. Okay, from this point to this curve we have to draw a tangent line like this. Okay, we have to draw a line which touches to the, so this tangent line do not passes through this arc. Okay, it's just touch and passes outside of the this arc. Okay, now I'm going to darken the remaining part. Okay, see, I am as this one. So this is our front view. Okay, is there anything else? No. See, here this is the, first of all I have to draw the, so this portion, so that is this one. Okay, then we have to draw this one. Okay, here I'm sorry, I'm doing a mistake here. So here there is no line here. Okay, actually it's like this. Okay, so you don't need to draw this one. No need to draw this one. We have to draw like this one. Okay, next we have go for the top view. Okay, for that we have to project the lines. Project the line towards the downward side. Here we are going to draw the top view. Okay, so here the top view is, let me mark the top view. So in the diagram, the top view sectional area is, so So this one is reading, I am reading the top view. So this one is the one area and second one is the here, this one. See, in the front view it look like as the ox, but from the top view it look like as the rectangle only. Okay. First of all, so this is the front view, this is the top view. So the total length is from here to here, that is the 60 mm. Okay, first of all let me draw the 60 mm of line. This is the 60 mm. Here is the 60 mm and the width is same as the front view. And this one is also the 60 mm. Okay, so here is the total length of 60 mm. And first of all, we have to draw the two sections. Okay, so the first one is, first of all I have to draw this one. Okay, this is the rectangle which is the distance of 10 mm. Okay, so first of all draw the 10 mm of rectangle. Mark here, this is the 10 mm, mark here another 10 mm. Okay, so draw a line of 10 mm. Okay, so now the distance is rest of the 40 mm. Okay, after that we have to mark the 40 mm up to here, and from here up to here. Okay, now join these 2 points and join the last one. Okay, clear? Okay, see, let me compare this to one. See here, so this one area, this area we are drawing as the rectangle area like this. Okay, so from here to here there is the 40 mm. Okay, this is the here to here is the 40 mm. Next this inclination area is draw as the like this. Okay, this is a rectangle. Okay, here we have to show another two one. This circle and this hollow part. Okay, this cylindrical part and this is the hollow part. We have to show is as the invisible. Okay, because from the top you can see this circle and this hollow square box. Okay, for that we have to mark these two areas as the dotted lines. Okay, so this one is the 10 mm diameter and the distance of 10 mm. Okay, so the diameter is distance and the height is the distance. Okay, so for that we have to draw the reference line from the front view circle. Okay, let me show you. See, we have the so from here to here like this. Similarly from here to here like this. Okay, so this is the circle area. Okay, further I am going to draw this one first, then you will understand easily. Okay, so this is the dot, it's not, so you have to draw the dotted lines within the box. Here we have to do another thing is we have to show the center point, and here we have to show the center point as the axis line like this. Okay, now I'm going to draw this one. This is the dotted box. This dotted box passes through the entire diagram. Okay, that is the total length is 60 mm Okay, and the width is 15 mm. Okay, now for that one also we have to project the lines from the top view. See, this is the one. Okay, let me project this one here to here and up to here. Okay, so this one is the entire diagram. For that we have to draw the dotted lines through the entire diagram. Okay, let me show you. Like this. Okay, it's not a square, it doesn't have the center point. That's why you need to mention the second center point in the dotted lines. Okay, so this one is the top view for front view for this one, and this one is the top view for that one. Okay, here also we have to show the axis line like this. Okay, now I'm going to for the side view. Here I am going to show the side view. Okay, that remains this is the left side view. Okay, from here this one is the side view. Okay, so side view I am going to draw with the shaded area with the black pen. Okay, so this one is the side view. So very easy to draw the side view. Okay, in this diagram. So for that, first of all we have to, so this is the left side view. That means it's the projection is we have to show in the right side of the front view. Okay, for that first of all we have to draw the reference line. Okay, for that first of all we have to draw the project the lines here. Similarly like here. Okay, if it's necessary then we'll draw the other one. So next we have to do that 45 degrees of line. Here is the 45. See. Okay. Now I am going to project the top view to the 45 degrees of line. Like this. Like this. Like this. Oh, I will extend this one. From the each point we have to project to the upward side, like this one, like this one, like this, and the last one like this. So we have project the all the points from the top view and the front view. Okay, now we have to draw the side view. Here the side view is, so this is the one part, and another second part is this one is also have to draw the side view. Okay, we have to show this one is as the rectangle box. Okay, the total height is 30 plus 15, that is the 45. Why I am taking it as 15? from here we draw the arc as the 50 arc. Okay, so up to from here is the top edge is as though the 50 Okay, then I'm going to the total it is the 45. So first of all take it as the bottom edge one. So this is the back side of the one. The total height is up to here. Okay, so this is the up to here. That is the 45 From here, I have to start from here. Total height is 45. Sorry, up to here. The total height is 45. Okay, and then we have the 10 Okay, that is the 10 So this is the 10 of gap. Okay, we have to draw another line of 45 Join this one, join this one. Okay, I did a mistake. I'm sorry. So I have done some mistake. I'm here. I did a small mistake. Okay. So actually, we have to continue this line up to the 60 Right as the 60 line. Okay. Sorry. Let me show you. So first of all we have draw this one. Don't need to draw this line. Okay, you don't need to draw this one. Okay, first of all draw the straight line and draw the horizontal line up to the 60 line. Okay, from here to the here, this is the 60 line. Okay, then we have a draw at 10 at the height of 30 From here we have to draw it as the mark it as the 30 height. From the draw a line 30 Okay, so this is the total height of 30 The total height is 45 and this one is the 30 So from that we have to draw the horizontal line. This one is the horizontal line. Okay, at the height of 30 I have drawn a horizontal line. Okay, from there we have to draw a 10 at the below. Okay, mark it as the 10 from here to here. So this is the 10 of point, a height of 10 From here to here we have to draw the distance of 40 Okay, from here to there we have to draw the distance of 40 Now join these two edges. Okay, so I'm sorry for this one. Okay, you don't need to draw this one. Okay, we have to draw from here to here. You don't need to draw this one, this part. Okay, now that's the end, and we have here also we have to show the two hidden lines. That is the two hidden parts. That is the circle and this square one. Okay, so for that circle we have to show. Let me take as the edges of the front view. Okay, like this one, like this one. Okay, so here we have the dotted lines and dotted lines here. Okay, here we have another one is this is the axis line. So the axis line is showing the red color. Okay, like this. Okay, and another thing we have is this one, the square box. Okay, the bottom line is coincide with this line. Okay, and the height of 10 mm, we have the another dotted lines. At the height of 10 mm here, at the height of 10 mm. Okay, now I am going to draw the dotted lines for that one. Okay, so this is the entire diagram for this one. Now you will give the dimensions to this diagram. Okay, I hope you understand. Maybe it will be some difficult, and here and I am done two mistakes over here. One is here, so here don't need to draw this one, and another one is this line. Okay, this line also you don't need to draw this one. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the total length at which is this one, that is the 50 mm, and take it and divide these parts, that is the 1 2 3, that is the 10 15 and 25. Okay, so I am taking it as a 10 15 25. This 15 is the square box, this is the passes to the entire diagram. This is the hollow part. Okay, and then the total height is 30 mm, 30 mm of height, that is this one is the 30 mm, that is minus 10, that is this is the 20 mm. Okay, this is the 20 mm of height. Okay, this one is the 20 mm of height. Okay, from that take it as the 10 mm of height here. This is the 10 mm of height, both sides the 10 mm, and here is the 10 mm. Okay, from the edge point we have to take it as the 15 mm as the distance for the center of the circle and this arc. Okay, so from this edge take it as the 15 mm at the point, and from that point we have to take it as the center, and first of all draw a circle at the radius of 5 mm and the diameter of 10 mm, and the same from the same center take it as the distance of from here to here, which is the 15 mm. Draw an arc with the pencils, light arc. Then from this edge you have to draw a tangent line which is passes through this arc. Okay, the line should be passes through outside of the circle. Okay, it do not passes through the circle. Okay, then touch the circle and draw in the entire diagram. Okay, if you have drawn already some half of the circle, okay, then erase this one. Okay, then we'll go for the top view. For the top view we have to draw the entire diagram. So the top view, this one, this is the top view, so we have to take it as the 60 mm of height. So this is the total 60 mm. Then we have to first divide these first 10 mm of rectangle part, which is here. This is the 10 mm of rectangle part, and then 40 mm. Here we have to draw the 40 mm, and then the last one is the 10 mm. Okay, so this is the 10 mm, and here we have to show this circle into the and this hollow box as the dotted lines. For that I have to take the projections from the front view to the top view like this one, and marked as the dotted lines, and this is the circle. If in the orthographic view, when you see the circle, then you have to must and should show the center point of the axis. Okay, this is the axis line. Okay, and then we have the box. This is the passes through this box is passes through the entire diagram. Okay, this box is passes through the entire diagram. See, maybe you can see this one. Okay, the box is passes through the entire diagram. For that I will show the dotted lines here. Okay, then we'll go for the side view. Okay, for the side view, first of all we'll draw the horizontal 45 degrees of line, and then we have to draw the horizontal lines from the front view like this. Okay, if it is necessary, then draw like this. Okay, all the circles. everything. And then from the top you have to draw the lines up to the 45 degrees like this one. Okay, and then it is projected up to the upward direction. Okay, then first of all marked as the height of 45 and the length is 60 mm. Okay, you don't need to draw this one, remember this, don't need to draw this one. Okay, then take it as this distance. Okay, that is the 10 mm. And then from there we have to draw the from here from the bottom to this one, take it as the 30 mm of distance. This is the 30 mm from here to here. Okay, so from 30 mm of line we have to draw a line towards the downward, that is the 10 mm again. Okay, from here we have to draw a distance of 40 mm. Okay, and then join this point and the bottom point. This is the 60 mm, this is the 40 mm of line from here. Okay, join this one. Okay, and we have to show this circle and the boxes as a dotted line in the side view also. For that I have draw the some projection of line from the circle like this one and mark it as the dotted lines. And from the center of this line we have to draw another line, which is the projection line, which is shown as the axis line of this circle. Okay, then I am going to draw the dotted lines because these are the invisible from the side view. Okay, so from the side view these are the invisible lines. Okay, for that the bottom line is also the dotted lines, but it is coincide with the visible line. Okay, that's why we do not show the dotted lines. Okay, then we have another one. This is the height of 10 mm. Okay, from here take it as from here to here, the height of 10 mm and height of 10 mm, draw the dotted line. Okay, this is the entire diagram of the 3D diagram. I think maybe it is difficult to understand you. Okay, if you understand, then okay. If you can't, then give me some comments or ask me. Okay, then I'll explain again. Okay, thank you. Try it.